Are you good or terrible at English grammar? Is this boy surfing in the sea, on the sea, or by the sea? What about the water? Is it dripping in the bucket, on the bucket, by the bucket, or at the bucket? What about this dog? He's peeing on the ground, but look at the pee. Is the pee in the hydrant, on the hydrant, by the hydrant, or at the hydrant? Guys, I hope you are ready for this preposition quiz. Let's look at quiz number 1. Why is she staring me? It's a question, and you need to put one of these prepositions on the line. Guys, you have 10 seconds to figure this one out. So the answer is at. Why is she staring at me? Let's look at how we arrived at this answer. So the preposition at means that something or someone is located at a specific place, address, or event. So here we're saying that the girl's eyes were located at a specific place, which is at that person. Of course, we are correct. Why is she staring at me? Let's look at quiz number 2. Some food is her mouth. Guys, please, you have 10 seconds. So the answer is in. Some food is in her mouth. Now let us look at how we arrived at this answer. The preposition in means that something or someone is within an enclosed area with borders or edges. So your mouth is an enclosed area. And of course, we are correct. Some food is in her mouth. Guys, I hope you got this one correct. If you didn't, then please redeem yourself with quiz number 3. The dog is standing the hydrant. You have 10 seconds. So the answer is on. The dog is standing on the hydrant. Let's look at how we arrived at this answer. The preposition on means the position of something or someone touching a surface. So if you look at the picture, the dog is actually touching the hydrant. So we are correct. The dog is standing on the hydrant. Let's look at quiz number 4. The dog's pee is the hydrant. Guys, you have 10 seconds. So the answer is by. The dog's pee is by the hydrant. Let's look at the explanation. By means something or someone sitting or standing near or next to something. So we are saying here that the dog's pee is near the hydrant. So of course, by is correct. The dog's pee is by the hydrant. If you love this quiz, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And of course, you need to share it with your friends. Let's look at quiz number 5. There are 12 girls. My class, guys, you have 10 seconds to figure this one out. I just love these quizzes. The answer is in. There are 12 girls in my class. Let's look at the explanation. The preposition in means within an enclosed area. And of course, your class is a room and it is enclosed. So there are 12 girls in my class. Let's look at quiz number 6. He posts 5 times per day. Social media, guys. This one is easy because you're always on social media. The clock is ticking. So the answer is on. He posts 5 times per day on social media. Let's look at the explanation. It says here the preposition on means that the position of someone or something touching a surface or interacting with something. So when you're on social media, you're actually interacting. So yes, it is correct. Let's look at quiz number 7. Casey is staying Ron's house. The clock is ticking. So the answer is at. Casey is staying at Ron's house. Did you get this one correct? If you got this one correct, remember to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Okay, so let's look at the explanation. Here, the preposition at means that something or someone is located at a specific place or address. So of course we are correct because Casey is staying at Ron's house. Ron's house is a specific place. So let's look at quiz number 8. They work the marketing department. The answer is in. They work in the marketing department. I hope you nailed that one, guys. Let us look at the explanation. It says here the preposition in means that you're within an enclosed area. So of course the marketing department is an enclosed area. It may be a room or some office. So they work in the marketing department. Let's look at quiz number 9. Joseph came here. Both guys, 10 seconds. The answer is by. Joseph came here by boat. Guys, did you get this one correct? I hope you got this one correct because this one was easy. The preposition by means that you're standing near or next to something. And for example, it says a physical object or it means to travel. So Joseph came here by boat. So he traveled to that place by boat. So of course we are correct. And we are down to quiz number 10. She spilled juice. Her dress. 10 seconds. So the answer is on. She spilled juice on her dress. Let's look up the explanation. On means that you're actually touching a surface. She spilled juice on her dress. It means that the juice touched her dress. So we are correct. Please tell me in the comments how many of these quizzes did you get correct. If you did not get all 10 quizzes correct, then of course next time you will do better. Guys, please remember to give this video a like. And of course you need to subscribe so that whenever I upload another video, you will be notified. I'll see you in that next video.